Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Positivity and Happiness. I hope you all are staying fine, you all are staying at home, and also you all are doing great with your family, with your friends. So my friends, my today's video is going to be all about lockdown special simple Indian recipes that you can make very easily in your home with very minimum ingredients. I know we cannot go for grocery shopping very often, we cannot buy a lot of ingredients at a time nowadays because we all are staying at home most of the time. So that's why today I made this video for all of you so that you can get some idea that what kind of simple easy food we can make for ourselves, for our family in this lockdown period. And my friends, all the recipes will be inspired by Rujuta Diwekar ma'am, famous dietitian, because all will be very simple, wholesome Indian homemade meal. So now let's start without wasting any time. So let's start. Now my first recipe will be super simple, super easy soybean pulao, which I'll make in pressure cooker. I never shared pressure cooker recipe with you all, especially the rice recipe. But today for the first time I'll be sharing soybean pulao in pressure cooker. In my previous videos I have shared soybean pulao recipe in rice cooker, but today it will be in pressure cooker so that you can make this recipe within just no time using your pressure cooker. So now let's start making soybean pulao. So these are the simple ingredients that I'll need to make this recipe. First of all, here in this non-stick pressure cooker I have added 1 tablespoon of oil, and then I have added cumin seeds and whole black pepper, 5-6 pieces of whole black pepper, and then I have added onion, chopped onion. After sauteing the onion for 2-3 minutes, I have added ginger garlic paste and also chopped tomatoes. And also my friends, I have added some salt. And now I'm going to give it a very good mix. I'll cook it for 2-3 minutes. And after 2-3 minutes, now it's time to add all the spices. First of all, turmeric is a very good spice to boost your immunity, especially in this time. And then I have added red chili powder and dhania powder and cumin powder. After that, I'm going to give it a very good mix one more time. And I'll cook all this together for 2-3 minutes more. And now here I have added boiled soybean. I have boiled my soybean in microwave. You can boil it in just a regular oven or gas. And now with the soybean and with all the masalas, I'm gonna cook this mixture for 3-4 minutes more, and then I'll add my soaked rice into it. Before adding the soaked rice, I have added here capsicum. The capsicum is available here in my kitchen today. I told you before, whatever veggies are available in your kitchen, in your fridge, you can use it. You can use cauliflower, beans, you can use carrots. I'll use little bit of peas here too, but capsicum I absolutely love. And here you can see I have added some peas too. And now I'm going to give it a very good mix, and then I'll add my soaked rice into it. I have used basmati rice here, and that will give a very good flavor into the dish. Now here you can see I have added my basmati rice. So all the masalas with all the vegetable and then this basmati rice, I'm sure this dish will be super flavorful. I have added some water into it and also garam masala powder for extra flavor. So my friends, now I'll show you how I have measured my water. So usually for 1 cup of basmati rice, I always use 2.5 cup of water whenever I make my pulao in this pressure cooker. So this is my measurement for making any kind of pulao recipe in pressure cooker. So for 1 cup of rice, 2.5 cup of water. So yes, now I have waited for 1 whistle, and here you can see my fluffy, tasty and delicious, very tempting pulao is absolutely ready. Isn't it looking gorgeous and very colorful, and it will taste perfect too. And here is my super healthy, super delicious lunch platter is absolutely ready. And this will provide you with lots of protein, vitamin, minerals and proper carbohydrate. And this is a wholesome Indian homemade meal, absolutely followed and inspired by Rujuta Diwekar ma'am's diet plan. If you are on your weight loss journey, then also you can have this meal anytime in your home for your lunch or for your dinner. On the side, I have added some salad and also yogurt or dahi. So it will taste just perfect. healthy lunch is ready. And now here comes my second recipe. For second recipe, I'll make fried rice with leftover rice. So for that, in the oil I have added cumin seeds and now chopped onion. Now here I have added some peanuts into it for some crunch. This is optional. If you don't like peanut, you can skip it. But I absolutely love having peanuts in my fried rice, especially tawa rice. So I have added it, and now here I have added chopped vegetable. And also I have boiled this vegetable in microwave for 1 minute. So here I have used broccoli, carrots and also capsicum. And also my friends, I have added cabbage too. And now after frying the veggies for a few minutes, I'm going to add all the dry spices like cumin powder and red chili powder and also little bit of turmeric powder. And now I'm going to give it a very good mix. I'll mix all the masalas together with the veggies. And also I have added some salt, that is obvious. And now I'm frying everything. So my friends, broccoli is absolutely good vegetable to boost your immunity. So please try to add it in your diet. And now here I have added my leftover rice in this vegetable mixture. So if you have leftover rice from previous night or previous day, you can definitely use this to make this super delicious, super healthy fried rice recipe. And this recipe will be perfect for this lockdown time with very minimum ingredients. Now for my protein, I'm going to add 1 egg omelette with this platter, with this fried rice platter. So that's why here I'm frying 1 egg. If you don't like egg omelette, if you are vegetarian, then you can add some soybean chunk or you can add some paneer in the fried rice, because we all want to have a protein rich meal. And so that's why I'm having 1 egg with it. So you have seen within just no time, here I have made super healthy, super delicious tawa fried rice with lots of vegetable and with leftover rice. So this way we can reuse our rice, and also this is a very tasty platter with some omelette, salad and yogurt. And here comes my third recipe. I'll be making super simple, super easy Chana Dal Masala. It will be absolutely healthy and absolutely delicious. First of all, in the oil I have added cumin seeds and then chopped onion and chopped tomatoes. And now after frying chopped tomatoes and onion, now I'll be adding my chana masala into it. My friends, here I just want to show you this chana masala I'll use. I have ready-made chana masala, but you can skip it if you don't have it. Don't have chana masala powder in your home, you can use cumin powder, turmeric powder and red chili powder, normal powder masala. And now here I have added my soaked chana dal into it. And now I have cooked my soaked chana dal with all the spices for 2-3 minutes. And now it's time to add some water. Here I have added some warm water into it because I'll have it with paratha, so this consistency will be perfect. But if you are having it with rice, you can give more water into it. Now I'll add some kasuri methi on top. Here you can see, my friends, I have added some kasuri methi for extra flavor and also little amount of ghee. Rujuta ma'am says to add ghee in our diet because it's absolutely good for our health, and also, my friends, it's good for our weight loss journey too. Now I'll cover the lid, and here quickly I'm going to make some paratha. Some other day, my friends, I'll give you the details recipe of this masala paratha. I have added cumin seeds into it, little bit of ajwain and also kasuri methi. And here is my delicious chana dal is ready. And this is how the delicious, super healthy and protein and fiber enriched lunch platter is ready. Simple recipe so that you can make it in this lockdown period. This chana dal itself is a very, very tasty, delicious item. So here is little bit of yogurt with cucumber and amki chutney. And here is 2 pieces of paratha. I have added some ghee on the paratha and it's ready. And here comes my fourth dinner or lunch platter idea for this lockdown period. This is how it looks like. I'll tell you what is there in this platter. So my friends, here in this platter you can see this is a non-vegetarian platter because here is chicken stew, and also I have added some rice and broccoli. Broccoli is very good for your health, for your weight loss journey. It will give you proper fiber, and my friends, broccoli is rich in vitamin A and it will help you to boost your immunity, especially when now we all are facing a lot of challenge due to this disease. So that's why broccoli will help you to boost your immunity. So broccoli saute, rice, and also this is chicken curry, absolutely Bengali style chicken curry, and delicious platter. And here comes my last lunch idea for this lockdown period. I have made this biryani with very minimum ingredients. Already I have shared this recipe. You have liked that recipe, please do check it. I'll give the link in the description box so that you can check it one more time. This is my previous video, please watch it. This is simple egg biryani with minimum spice and also with raita. You can enjoy it with your family. Lockdown special biryani. So my friends, that's all from today's video. I hope you have enjoyed all the platter ideas that I have shared with you all. 3 recipes I have shared with you all in details, and 1 recipe already I have shared. So please check that biryani recipe and do try it in your home. I hope you and your family all will love it. And take care of your health, have plenty of water, gargle with warm water, do take care of your hygiene routine, and also my friends, do your regular exercise, have lots of fruits, and also my friends, be stress free. I'll see you guys super soon.